So some of you guys have not been, and this, please don't take this the wrong way, but you have not been broken down enough to actually change the things that are happening in your business. So I heard something really profound. I don't know, last month I was just listening to a podcast and it was about mindset because look, you're never finished with the mindset stuff. Like, I still need it myself these days, and I've been studying it for a long, long time. It's just, I believe in constant, never-ending improvement, and this is one of the things that can always be improving. And when it comes to the mindset and the things that you're thinking that are not going to help you in any way, get what you actually want in life or in your business, it's kind of like weeds in a garden. Like, you can pull all the weeds, but at some point those weeds are going to come back. So it's something that requires constant, never-ending improvement in order to keep the weeds pulled, because they're going to keep coming up. So I heard something else. This is what I was going to share with you, is that look at this spring. I just pulled this spring out of a pen, right? Here's the ink and the whatever you call it for the pen. So I just pulled this spring out of a pen. And what I'm talking about here when it comes to what needs to happen in your business or in your life to actually make the changes that you already know need to be made, but you've just been procrastinating, hesitating, and remaining frustrated because you won't make the changes that you know need to happen. Whether that be increase the pricing that you deliver to your customers, increase the standards of the service that you deliver so that you have more opportunity on every single call that you go to. It could be having that difficult conversation with somebody who just refuses to run the process that you're trying to install into your company so you can get better results. So think of what's going on right now. This is just spring, and when it's relaxed like this, nothing happens. And so I'm here for you to consider. I want you to consider that this spring is you. And what happens is, over time, if you continue to get broken down in life, in your business, with things that just aren't going your way, and you're not seeing the changes that you would love to make happen because you have dreams and desires to have a better future for yourself and for your team members and for your family. So over time, this spring is going to become compressed. It will just compress. And that compression is you getting madder and madder and madder at your current circumstances, right? So as we continue to compress this spring, which this is a pretty tight spring, so it's not going to compress easily, but just imagine I'm pushing this spring in, and eventually something's going to break. Like, you're not just going to sit here and hold this spring in. I mean, my finger's hurting holding this spring in right now. Eventually, if you get mad enough, that spring is going to boom. It's going to take off and bounce back. That's what needs to happen. You need to get so pissed off about your current situation, about how you are not making the moves you need to make. You are not seeing the results that you want to see. The bank account is not reflecting what you would like to see. The response from your customers is not what you would like to see. You're not getting the amount of reviews. You're not selling the amount of maintenance agreements that you need to sell. You're not, adding new fleet vehicles every year. You're not adding new team members every year. This is what needs to happen. Like, you've got to get pissed off about it. Otherwise, you're too comfortable. There are the six basic human needs that Tony Robbins talks about, and I talk about it in my book. So if you have not grabbed this book, because I relate that to exactly what's happening in your HVAC business. The first need is certainty. We want certainty. Like, we want to know what's going to happen tomorrow. Whether you want dramatic changes to happen in your business or not, the reality is we crave certainty. We want to have that stability and peace of mind that we know what's going to happen tomorrow. And as a business owner, that cannot be one of your primary basic human needs. Like, you've got to ditch that and focus more on some of the other human needs. The other ones are significance, love and connection, and variety and uncertainty and novelty. So we like new things too. It's not that we just love being stuck on the old things. We also love new things. And then growth and contribution. So whatever you find yourself, whether it's certainty and significance, that's where I was stuck. I was stuck there for years. Like, I felt significant and I wanted certainty at the same time. And you got to ditch those. You got to ditch those and stop worrying about certainty when you're ready for a change to happen, especially when you know a change needs to happen. So ditch those and focus on growth and contribution. How can I grow? And then how can I give back? Whether it's to my team, it's easy with the team. Like, when you grow, you're going to have new things to share with your team that can help them in their lives as well. So focus on your growth. It will always be and this will never change. You'll always have the biggest return on your investment is to spend money, spend time, spend energy on growing yourself, grow your knowledge, grow your energy, grow your bank account. Never stop doing that. And as long as you do that, the significance will come. Like, you'll feel more significant and you'll have a bigger impact in people's lives. And I get the certainty thing, like wanting certainty, but doing what you've always done is going to just keep getting you what you've always gotten. So what you have right now, if you're not happy with it and there's a gap between where you are and where you would like to be, we want to close that gap. And in order to close that gap, we're going to have to do some things that we're probably uncertain about. So get used to it, adopt it, start taking steps that make you uncomfortable. And the more you do that, the more you get accustomed to it. And it's not such a big deal anymore. And so what used to feel super risky no longer feels risky. You just do it because that's who you are. And because of that, everybody in your life, you and everybody who surrounds you in your life, whether it be your family or your team, they're all going to benefit from your growth. So get busy working on your growth and your contribution, and your whole entire life will change. But you got to make the time. You got to put it as a priority for yourself and spend the money, spend the energy, and just watch what happens to your little life. I promise you it will expand. You'll realize just how much opportunity there is everywhere. And look, I mean, there's people on your team right now, there's people in your family who need this same mindset. So you will start to rub off on them and you'll make a difference in their lives. And you could quite possibly change their lives forever. So, and that is more exciting than any amount of money that you'll make. It's more exciting than what your business will be capable of doing. It's more exciting than anything is to have an impact on someone else's life. And that's part of contribution. So I will let you go with that. I hope you guys are doing well. I'm going to have another training coming up, the same HVAC business workshop. If you have not attended that, be sure to attend it. I'm going to put a link in the description. I also am going to have a free training coming out. I don't have it produced yet, but watch for that on the next video. I will have that and I'll have a link so you can grab that. So I will see you guys on the next one. Remember, growth and contribution so you can go make money. Boom.